And if she decides to convert it over this time period, then all of that $157,000 will also be tax-free. Hey, John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. I am walking on ice covered in snow right now, and I'm going to talk to you about a lady who was able to generate $157,000 in guaranteed income from an annuity contract. But first, check out this crack. Ooh, and that's my snowshoes. So I am hoping, there's a rock right here, this rock comes right out of the water. I know because I usually, see that? See, it's so much easier to take risks when you have some guarantees set aside. That's why I sell annuities, because you should have them. Okay, I'm just gonna stand here. All right, let's talk about this lady. So she's got plenty of money and she wants to generate some income for herself and her husband. Okay, she's 66, he's 62. She's got $1 million to invest and she wants to take income in 10 years exactly. So we looked at all of the best annuity contracts out there, and we also wanted to make sure that she was able to do Roth conversions, because there's only about like 4 companies that will allow that without changing the income numbers, okay? So we looked at that, and the one company that came up that was the best option was Midland National. And Midland National, after 10 years, would give her and her husband $157,000 annual payout for the rest of both of their lives, which is phenomenal. And if she decides to convert it over this time period, then all of that $157,000 will also be tax-free. Now, she doesn't have to if she doesn't want to, but at least she has the option, because there are a lot of companies out there that do not give you that option, or they do give you the option, but it changes the payout and it can just mess things up. So you really got to make sure you do it with the right company, especially if you plan on doing those partial Roth conversions between the time you purchase the annuity and the time you actually activate the income. Make sure you choose the right company for that. I mean, American Equity, they're another company that allows for partial Roth conversions as well. And I say partial because a lot of people don't want to do a full conversion yet. So you got to make sure that you set it up with the annuity contract that first is going to give you the most income, but also with a carrier that will allow for those partial Roth conversions so you don't take that huge tax hit. I mean, can you imagine a tax hit on $1 million all at once? Yeah, no one wants to do that. Anyways, we're going to chat some more about this, but this is absolutely just game-changing for her income and her husband, because they're going to use the rest of their money to invest and grow, and maybe it'll be in the stock market, maybe it'll be in real estate. There's all these different things they can do with it, and when things fluctuate, they'll be fine because they got their income taken care of, and they can do whatever they want, and they can go on trips, they can enjoy their grandkids, and they don't have to worry about, if the market drops, they don't have to worry about not being able to pay their bills, okay, because they got the annuity contract paying income. Anyways, it's kind of like, I usually like to do analogies here. I haven't broken through the ice yet. It looked like I was breaking through the ice. I just went through some super deep snow right above the ice. But I often talk about snow because I think, annuities are that safeguard, right? If I was to walk out, I'll just show you. If I was to walk out here, I should probably have flatter shoes than what I've got. So maybe get some snowshoes next time. Kind of spread my weight out. So in my opinion, annuities are those snowshoes. They basically give you that protection, that safety, okay? So you can go out and enjoy. You can enjoy being a little risky, but at the same time, you got the protection provided by the annuity. It's the same thing if you're snow skiing. I'd much rather fall in that than on ice. And in my opinion, being in the stock market's like skiing on groomers or ice. When you fall, it hurts bad. But when you're falling in snow like this, it's all fluffy. It doesn't hurt at all. It's like an annuity contract. When you've got the market falling, you're enjoying your annuity payouts. You're enjoying life because you're in powder. You're not on ice and groomers. So it's okay to be on ice and groomers and enjoy the thrills if you got the safety at the same time. But if you're looking for the highest contractual income and you're looking to work with someone who will show you everything that's available, even if the commissions are lower, because sometimes they are, and that's okay, then contact me. There's a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar, and we'll chat, okay? If you want to look at the annuities first before you even talk to me, go to my website. It's johnstevenson.com, and my annuity calculators are there. Click on the income rider if you want the highest contractual annual payout and if you want the most flexibility as far as activating it at different times. That's the best one for that. Anyways, any questions, reach out to me. I'd love to help. If you like the video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks for coming out here with me while I froze my butt off and enjoyed talking about guarantees. But actually, it's actually not too bad. I mean, it's not windy. If it was windy, I wouldn't be able to feel my ears or my hands, and at least I could feel them. So that's one thing. It's awesome being out here. Life is awesome. Retirement is awesome. And it can even be better with annuities. All right. So hope you enjoyed the show, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.